Hello friends, welcome to my Muntisha Nandeshwar channel again to learn how to start English reading at elementary level. Friends, in the very first video of this series, I have told you that I have prepared 5 clusters of sounds having 26 sounds of alphabet. In last video number 7, we have learned 4th cluster having the sounds V, V, X, Y and O. In this video number 8, we are going to read the words having these sounds along with the earlier sounds too. After watching this video, there is exercise for you. Please try to form meaningful words with the help of the learned sounds. Friends, if you are enjoying my videos, so please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, share the videos to others to benefit them. If you are learning something from these videos, so don't forget to hit the like button. Also, comment on the comment box to improve me or to motivate me. So without wasting time, let's start our video. Let's get in the class. Let's read the words formed with V, V, X, Y, O, B, F, N, K, T and A.
Van says V. What says V. Xmas tree says X. Arrow says Y. Orange says O. Fox says F. Box says B. Nose says N. Cat says K. Joker says J. Tiger says T. Elephant says A. O. X. Ox. Ox. F. O. X. Fox. Fox. B. O. X. Box. Box. N. O. X. Knox. Knox. J. O. Y. Joy. Joy. B. O. Y. Boy. Boy. T. O. Y. Toy. Toy. K. O. T. Cot. Cot. J. O. T. Jot. Jot. N. O. T. Knot. Knot. T. O. T. Tot. Tot. V. A. T. wait, wait, w, a, t, wait, wait, y, a, t, it, it. Thank you.